Hello, this is Robin from Islington Sales, and today I'll be walking around this Ford Focus. This is the 1 litre turbo booster jet with a manual transmission and a petrol engine. It is on a 2019 plate and has covered around 52,000 miles. It will come with 12-month roadside assistance as well as 12 months warranty, and has a part service history from new. Being the ST-Line, you'll benefit from features such as a DAB radio with phone connection through Bluetooth, cruise control, automatic headlights, as well as an electric parking brake. If you have any questions or would like to give this vehicle a drive, give us a call on 01225 753 103.